Today I am here with my new video on topic ellipse. Today we will discuss about equation of ellipse, definition, and their question. So first of all, define an ellipse. According to their definition, an ellipse is a focus of a point which moves in a plane so that its distance from a point S called the focus near to its perpendicular distance from a fixed straight line ZK called the directrix. A ratio always less than unity. The ratio is called the eccentricity and is denoted by E. Write a short definition. Write down. Ellipse is a conic. Ellipse is a conic whose eccentricity is always less than 1. Whose eccentricity is always less than 1. Suppose this is a fixed point and this is moving point. The distance of this point is always fixed through the point and straight line. This fixed point is known as focus, and the straight line is known as the directrix. Straight line is known as directrix. Let us consider a point P on ellipse XY joined with focus S and draw a perpendicular from P on directrix. This is suppose point M. According to definition, eccentricity is always less than 1 and it is the ratio. An ellipse is a focus of a point which moves in a plane so that its distance from a point S called the focus where to its perpendicular distance from a fixed straight line Z. Suppose this is a ZK called the directrix. This straight line is called the directrix. A ratio always less than unity. Its ratio is always less than unity. Which ratio? PS upon PZ. The ratio of PS upon PZ is always less than 1, and this ratio is called the eccentricity of ellipse. So this can be written as PS upon PZ is equals to E. Means PS is equals to E PZ. Generally, we draw such type of ellipse. After tracing, we will get such type of ellipse. There are two focus, first and second. It is called S and it is called S dash. Okay, this is the axis of ellipse. Eccentricity directrix, first directrix, and this is the second directrix. It is called, this point is called vertex. Point A is the vertex of ellipse, and here another A dash is the another vertices of the ellipse. Okay. Suppose this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. Okay. Let us consider a point B on y-axis and another point B dash on y-axis. This distance A to A dash, it is called major axis. A and A dash is called major axis. to B dash. It is called minor axis. B to B dash is called minor axis. Here you can see the length of major axis is greater than the length of the minor axis. This is the one condition. Okay. The length of major axis is greater than the length of minor axis. Okay. Now coordinate of vertex A be A comma 0. Similarly, the coordinate of another vertex A dash it will be minus A comma 0. Is it clear? And the coordinate of B the 0 comma B and the coordinate of B dash is the 0 comma minus B. Okay. Now we find the length of the major axis and length of the minor axis. First A dash length of the major axis. A dash. Here we will use distance formula because we have 2 points minus A comma 0 and another point is the A comma 0. Minus A comma 0 and A comma 0. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. This point be X1, Y1, X2, Y2. So using formula X2 minus X1 whole square plus Y1 minus Y2 whole square. X1 minus A X2 is the A minus X1 whole square plus Y2 minus Y1 whole square. So A dash is equals to A minus minus plus whole square is equals to 2A whole square is equals to A dash is equals to 2A. Therefore, the length of the major axis be 2A. The length of the major axis be the 2A. Similarly, we will find the length of the minor axis B dash. The length of the minor axis. The coordinate of minor axis, first coordinate 0 comma B and second coordinate is given 0 comma minus B. So the point is given 0 comma B and 0 comma minus B. Now the length of the minor axis B dash. Therefore B dash is equals to under root B minus B whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square. इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो सॉल्व करने में डायरेक्ट मैं लिख दे रहा हूँ दिस विल बी 2b. This will be 2b. So length of the major axis be 2a. This length is the 2a and this length means this is the minor axis. That equals to 2b. In such case, we say A is greater than B. When A is greater than B. Now consider a point on ellipse P join PS, coordinate of P x comma y. Now find out PS. Find out PS. So the coordinate of focus, first focus AE comma 0 and second focus minus AE comma 0. The coordinate of S AE comma 0 and coordinate of second focus S dash B minus AE comma 0. This is the focus of the ellipse. And E is the eccentricity. It is called the eccentricity. Small e is called eccentricity. Small e is called the eccentricity of the ellipse. So it is called the eccentricity. Now let us rectum of ellipse. Let us rectum of ellipse. If we take a point on ellipse and draw a perpendicular, and this perpendicular passes through the focal like this. So suppose this point be L and L'. So this L and L' is called latus rectum of ellipse. And similarly here, this is also the latus rectum of the ellipse. So L dash and dash is the latus rectum of ellipse. So L dash and dash be the latus rectum of ellipse. Its length is 2b square upon a. Its length of the latus rectum, length of the latus rectum is equals to 2b square by a. Its length is the 2b square by a. Now, general equation of ellipse. General equation of ellipse. The general equation of ellipse be x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to lx plus my plus n divided by under root l square plus m square whole square and here e square. According to definition, Ps equals to E Pz. Lx plus my plus n. It is the equation of delta x. This is the equation of delta x. And find the length of the perpendicular. So this is the length of the perpendicular. Lx plus my plus n upon n square plus n square. This is the Ps. Okay. This is known as general formula of ellipse. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to e square lx plus my plus n upon under root l square plus n square whole square. Clear? चल रहा था कि बंद था? ये बंद था, अभी बंद क्यों है ना?
आवाज
Now write down a question. Find the equation of the ellipse. Find the equation of the ellipse whose one focus is 6,7. The corresponding directrix is x plus y plus z is equals to 0, and corresponding directrix is x plus y plus z is equals to 0, and x plus y plus z is equals to 0, and whose eccentricity is 1/3. Find the equation of the ellipse whose focus is given 6,7. Focus is given 6,7, and directrix, equation of directrix is given x plus y plus z. X plus y plus z is equals to 0, and eccentricity is equals to given 1/3. Okay, first draw an ellipse. This is the ellipse. Take a point P, x comma y, their coordinate on the ellipse, and focus is given. Let's suppose this is the focus S. Coordinate is given 6,7. So this is the PS. Okay, this is the PS. PS is equals to under root x minus 6 whole square plus y minus 7 whole square, using distance formula. Find out the PS. Okay, suppose this is the directrix of given ellipse. Let a point on directrix that will be called. Now find out the PM. Equation of directrix given x plus y plus z. So the length of this PM is equals to x plus y plus z upon under root 1 square plus 1 square is equals to x plus y plus z upon root 2. X plus y plus z upon root 2. It means we have PM equals to x plus y plus z upon root 2. Now, according to definition, PS is equals to EPM of PZ. Putting the value, since PS is equals to EPM, putting the value under root x minus 6 whole square plus y minus 7 whole square is equals to E is given 1 by root 3. Now putting the value of E. E is given 1 by root 3. 1 upon root 3 and Pm x plus y plus z upon root 2. Squaring both the sides. Squaring both the sides. We have x minus 6 whole square plus y minus 7 whole square 1 by 6 x plus y plus z. X plus y plus z. Answer. We have two type of ellipse, first type and second type. In first type, we see the length of the major axis is greater than the length of the minor axis. It means here A is greater than B. For first figure, length of the major axis is greater than the length of the minor axis. And in figure 2, the length of the minor axis is greater than the length of the major axis. In figure 2, B is greater than A. Here, this is it is greater than, and in this figure, this is the greater than. Now, make a chart for both cases and find out the eccentricity, radius active, foci, and so on. Chart, we see at a glance center when A is greater than B 0, 0 and B is greater than A 0, 0. Length of the major axis 2A and here length of the major axis 2. Okay. Now take a question. Find the equation of the ellipse whose origin is a center, whose center is origin, Latus rectum is 5 and eccentricity is 2 by 3. Center is given, center of ellipse was given 0, 0. Center is 0, 0. Latus rectum is 5. Latus rectum of ellipse is equals to given 5. And also one thing is given in question, eccentricity. Eccentricity means small e. Eccentricity is given in question, that is the 2 by 3. We know that latus rectum of an ellipse square by a. It is given 2b square by a. And in question, the length of the lattice rectangle be given. That is the 5. So we can write here length of the lattice rectangle of ellipse 5 is equals to 2b square by a. It means that will be 5a is equals to 2b square. 5a equals to 2b square. And eccentricity b square is equals to a square 1 minus e square. With the help of this equation we determine the eccentricity. Now so write, since b square is equals to a square 1 minus e square. Okay, suppose this is the equation number 1 and this is the equation number 2. Equation number 1 and equation number 2. Clear? Putting the value of b square from 2 to 1. Putting the value of b square in equation number first. Putting the value of b square in equation number first. So 5a is equals to 2, and at the place of b square we will put this value at the place of b square. So right here a square in bracket 1 minus e square. A and square is cancelled out. 5 equals to 2a 1 minus e square. And eccentricity of ellipse is given 2 by 3. Now putting the value of e. Putting the value of e. Putting the value of e. 5 is equals to 2a 1 minus e square, and e is given 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 square means 2 by 3 square. So 5 is equals to 2a 1 minus 4 upon 9. 5 is equals to 2a 9 minus 4. 5 by 9. 5 and 5 cancel out. Therefore 9 is equals to 2a. It means a is equals to 9 upon 2. Here a equals to 9 upon 2. Now putting the value of a in equation number first. Putting the value of a in equation number first, we will get the value of b. Therefore 5 9 upon 2 5 9 upon 2 is equals to 2 b square